What are the benefits of cycloidal gears? Since the rotation of the driven shaft is not uniform, cycloidal gears are used to transmit slow rotations. Moreover, their teeth are much stronger than the one of involute gears, since their flanks are not radial. Another advantage of these gears is that they have less sliding action. The answer to this question would be it has a wider and high power flank as compared to involute gears. The contact of cycloidal gears is between the concave surface and the convex flank. This reduces the wear and tear of the engine, and there are no chances of interference occurring in cycloidal gears. Differentiate between gear hobbing and gear shaping. Generally, the productivity of gear hobbing is higher than that of gear shaping. Only when the gear with a small module, large number of teeth and small tooth width is machined, gear shaping has the ability to compete with gear hobbing. The answer to this question would be gear hobbing is a continuous indexing process in which both cutting tool, that is a hob, and workpiece rotate in a constant relationship while the job is being fed into work. Hob is also imparted a radial feed. Gear shaping, on the other hand, uses a pinion type of cutter, which is reciprocated with required cutting speed along the face of workpiece and is gradually fed radially to plunge. Continuous generation motion is obtained by feeding cutter to full depth and rotating the cutter and workpiece slowly. What are the different types of springs? The different types of springs are helical, conical, torsion, leaf, disc, and SPS or special purpose springs.